if you actually check the document quickly over this call only, then you will understand that what exactly I have explained in that document, and then which even software that you should be using. That also I have mentioned, and how you can set that up, like a flow I have actually described over here. Right?
So should I just, copy paste your flow?
Copy paste in the sense like it actually matters. Like I haven't explained or given my settings in here, but what are the benefits and which one you should connect and create first, like use your account with first, those I have mentioned, right?
Yeah, like I don't even I have all this software, but I only use Friend Connector.
Right. So now as you are using Friend Connector, so you know that it can send a friend request, a message also, and then filter data. Now you need post scheduler and Maven even after that, the setup. Post scheduler is to basically create contents so that you can create engagement in your profile. Like whoever is joining, what they will see in your profile, right? So you need to create an audience, which Friend Connector is doing or Friender is doing for you. After that, what they will see in your account, that is basically this content that you are going to create for them. And now post scheduler also has the AI support. So from there, like you can also automate the full content itself, like engagement content itself or valuable content itself, and you don't even have to spend time to think that what sort of contents I'll be providing, right? And then you also need the Maven event setup. Now why? Because you are sending some messages through Friend Connector to the people. Now they are replying to you, or maybe you are giving some contents, right? On top of that, they are directly sending you a message. Like I saw that your message group was named as a trial or so, which means you are giving a trial version of the software, right, to use.
I'm using the I don't give the trial to any software. Just I have my agency, right? We help with ads.
Okay.
So we offer. Anyways, like for trial. Yeah.
So if anyone is actually replying you back in there and you are not in front of your system, that point of time, they will be waiting for 5-10 minutes or maybe more than that, right? And they will leave the messenger if actually they are not getting an immediate reply back. That happens most of the cases with most of the users. So Maven does what? Maven will be actually replying to that particular user with respect to the keyword or set of keyword that you have actually given, right? So in that
how it works or something like that, and then it gives the answer how it works.
So like suppose if I have sent a message with respect to some sort of means data. So if they're asking that what business, right? So with respect to that keyword, like these are the keywords, that what business, what you do you do, like this sort of keywords actually people can send in your message, right? How are you, what about you? Then suppose issue, like as I'm helping you, as well as there are partners whom I do help, so they are maybe sending a message to me that, hey, I'm facing an issue on this particular software, right? And I'm not there in front of my system. So Maven even actually replies back to them that, okay, allow me some time to check all your issues. Now they feel like, okay, someone like I'm over there acknowledging their issues immediately, right? Which I'm not actually. Product software, if anyone actually wants to know about my software, then actually they can do like that. So let us give you a quick demo. Do one thing, please share your screen once more. Now suppose I'm going to the messenger and this is me. So suppose you are sending me this. So let me also quickly check if I'm not on your message. Otherwise it will not reply. I was on your chat only, so that's why it was replying. Just let me go to someone else's chat. So basically, like right now, I'm not going to give you any answer, okay? So Maven will do what? It actually waits for 30 seconds or so for me to give the answer. If I'm not doing that immediately, then it actually goes over there in the messenger and then it reads out the message and it try to find out that which keyword is coming from here. And then with respect to that, if I have any automation set up on my end with Maven, it actually replies back with that particular message, or else it will reply you back that, hey, like there is a default message where none of the keywords are matching. So what could be the response, right? So it actually checks on that and then it replies back with that particular message block. So that Maven does, okay? Now, once you have this setup done, that point of time, it means that first of all, you are building your audience, then you are giving them enough content to engage with, right? And then you are also making sure there is no waiting time for their acknowledgement or for their messages. And then you have a chain of keywords where it will be forcing them to write down the keywords in their message somehow. And with respect to that, another automated reply will go back. So somehow. So like this, if I send again, here it will match with the software keyword for me, right? And maybe help also it will get. So maybe one or more, means keywords it will match, and depending on that, it will create the set of messages, and then it will send you. See it now, send you a back that allow me some time to get back regarding your query. In the meantime, go to my profile and check all my trainings. It might be for your understanding about our tools. Even I have a setup where people actually, means asking for jokes, and I'm giving them riddles, jokes, and they're just replying back and playing with making even only on behalf of me. It is actually talking with them.
Yeah. So can you enable on friend connector? Can you enable to be used on multiple profiles, or it's removed entirely?
No, you can use it on multiple profile. It doesn't bother about it. Only the thing is you have to log out from your current profile and then use the other profile.
Why did you guys remove it? It was removed literally 1 month ago.
Yeah, actually what happened is it's supposed to be working like this only. Somehow our dev team missed one quick checking, so that's why it got enabled for all, that they can use it for unlimited access, like unlimited accounts. But that should not be the case, because this is anyways the best selling software, right? If the people is actually using it for multiple account by using paid only for one account, so that doesn't make sense. For a lot of partners, actually they came up with that, hey, I just bought only 5 accounts, but these people are having full agency of people. They are 50 VAs, and those all people are now using my 5 accounts only. So this is not correct. So they actually came and they logged a lot of issues regarding it. So we had to remove it even. So that all partners can be on the same page, and it's not like some of them are getting advantage of it, some of them are not. So better everybody should be on the same page.
Interesting.
Now, as you can see, that contents are getting created, Maven even is replying automatically, right? So that means people are already communicating with you and they are busy with your contents, right? Like you see that if you love this automation, then type Maven event. So if I type Maven event, then it will actually give me the sales link, that it will be giving the details about the software, and then it will be sending a link where from the user can actually buy the software. So you can make the whole sales process automated through these messages, set of messages, right? Now once these two are done, so that point of time I'm suggesting to go for GrooveFlu, MadEditor, Post Filter, and Post Profits Pro. So GrooveFlu, actually what it does is it can go to any group that you can run on any group, okay? And you can say that, okay, go for 15 days or so, and then find out that who are the most engaged, who are creating the most engagement in a group, who are the most influencer in a group. Find them out. Once you're finding them out, you can target those people and see that what sort of contents they are providing, because those people are getting the maximum engagements from the group. That means their contents are getting used or getting the most engagement in a group, right? So if you follow the similar kind of content, or maybe similar kind of concept of the structure of the post, that point of time you also will be getting more engagement in a group. Because once you are you are the known person in the group, and then you are sending them a friend request, it makes more sense, because they are now habituated seeing your content in the group. So they know you, that you are from this group. So if you send them a request, they won't block you as a spam, because they saw your contents and they know that you are doing something. So they will feel like talking to you, right?
That makes sense.
Talking to a stranger. So this helps with that. Then MadEditor helps actually the people who runs Facebook ads, or even means who actually likes to go with a content setup or structure which follows a very good ad structure, right? You see there are a lot of sales ad are running, right? If you check daily basis, maybe some ads on software selling only, then Facebook actually will show up more and more those ads to you. Now you can save them in a library, as in extension library only, and from there you can understand, okay, this is the content, this is the exact word or keywords or some specific data set that these people are using in their ads. Now either you can get that and put that in Post Scheduler in AI to generate similar content as with that ad, or else you can even copy the content and make your own ad through Facebook, right? So that will give you more understanding that how to run an ad and what sort of content I should be giving in an ad, because these sort of ads are getting more engagement rather than any ad, right? Post filter is actually going to help MadEditor. That's why you can see one arrow came out of from it and went to the MadEditor. You can run MadEditor alone, or you can even use post filter to filter the only ads. Means if you want to see only ads in your profile, right, in the timeline, so that you can use MadEditor to save those posts quickly, ads quickly, you can use post filter. Even you can use post filter to filter out the timeline with specific keywords, so that you can understand, okay, maybe friend connector only, there are friends of yours who are also selling the same software, right? So you can actually search with that keyword and it will filter out all the posts with respect to that means text, whoever have given that text in their content. So you can see them and you can understand, okay, these are the people who are posting on the same content, and here are the content structure and type, how they are giving it, and then you can actually move forward from copying them or maybe making a better version of it, right?
Yeah.
So that helps you will get from post filter. And Post Profits Pro is for your post scheduler contents. Like once you are scheduling a post and basically that is getting posted on Facebook, now you always have to be there if anyone is commenting on there, right? Otherwise they will be just waiting on it and eventually they will forget what exactly you talked about, right? So Post Profits Pro does what? Like as soon as you are getting a reply in your post, it actually can send a immediate reply back to that comment, as well as it can tag the person, as well as it can send a message to that person that, hey, you just commented on my post, thanks for commenting on my post. Shamik, leave the call. Actually, we do have this common link for the entire team, as well as I do share this link with all of the partners. So a lot of time happens that everyone is joining, and sometimes even when I'm creating a training video, they join. So they just stayed over there. Okay, they have so they just watch the full video and then that was great.
yeah. I see.
So Post Profits actually help you with that. Now you can understand. You got an audience through Friend Connector. You posted a post through Scheduler. Now Post Profits is helping you to add comments in there, in the sense if anyone commenting, replying back in there. Now two-way, like from Friend Connector you are sending message, from Post Profits you are sending message, right? Now whoever is reading those messages and replying you back, you have Maven even to give them answer to actually put them in a funnel that, okay, you came through this, now here are some keywords that I'm forcing you with my question or queries only, that you will be replying with one of the keywords of mine. Once you are giving an answer, like one answer, another answer you will get. So it is like funnelizing people into your sales process. So this whole thing actually can help you with these many things, right? Now after these two, I have suggested that you should run Birthday Wisher and Engagement Monster. Now Birthday Wisher is to automatically wish them on their birthday, or like sending them advance birthday wish that, hey, like my birthday wishes are like totally means like funny, means 2 days before it will send you a message that, hey, do you know that day after tomorrow there will be a national holiday because it is your birthday. So people are like getting it as a funny text, and they are replying back to me because they have to. Like as soon as you are seeing something I'm sending you like this, you will feel like haha reaction or something, you will be replying me back, right? Now automatically on your birthday it will wish. Then after 2 days that I have said, actually you can also set 1 day or many more other days, but it is actually again following up with them that, hey, have you even enjoyed your birthday this year? What new things you have done? So now you are engaging with them, which means you already have connected the audience with your content, replying back. Now it's about the engagement. Until unless you are engaging with them, they won't engage with you, because it is give and take policy, right? First you have to give, then only you can take. So until unless you are giving them engagement, you are not going to get engagement on your profile too, right? So for that reason, what it does, this Birthday Wisher will help you. Automated birthday wishes will be sending, and Engagement Monster will actually go to those friends' profile, and then it will automatically, means give a reaction on their post, or a comment, or both, depending on your setting. Now you see that you and me are basically connected now, right? Through a group right now.
Yeah, of course.
You generally don't come to my profile, or even I don't go to your profile and give any engagement at all, although we are friends. So it doesn't even make any sense, right? You are not going to, because as per Facebook algorithm, until unless I'm engaging with your content or you are engaging with my content, I'm not going to see your content and you are not going to see my content, right? So even if you have 5,000 friends, you will see your engagement is actually happening with 10 to 15 people only, not even 5,000. So even if you have a bigger audience, you don't have any, because you're not engaging with them, they are not engaging with you at the same reason. So Engagement Monster will do what? It will go to your friend list, that the 5,000 friends you have, and then it will, start the automation where it will react on their post, or leave a comment, or even react and leave a comment, depending on even means what other people are giving reactions on that post. So if people are giving angry reactions on a post, your automation will also give an angry reaction only, as well as will put a comment in there if you have enabled that feature. So now these people are knowing about you, that, hey, this is a new friend of mine, and just he's trying to engage. That means he's reading my content. Let's check out his profile. Once they will come to your profile, as you already have posted a lot of contents related to your business and what exactly you do or how you're helping people, they will get to know you more, and now they will try to connect or engage with your content, right?
I see.
As you gave, now you are taking the engagement from them.
Yeah, it's all about making a funnel. Like I saw some of the guides.
Right.
Right. That's the whole point, because if you send them the message right away, you're not warming them up. They don't know you, right? They don't trust you.
For sure.
So yeah.
You say you got
yeah, so it's so is that like all about the software here, or like what's else?
No, there are more. I have suggested that after this, you already have the engagement setup, scheduling, like audience, everything is done. Setting up. Now basically, if I can scroll a bit right, I actually went a little bit more. Now these points you already have completed, right? So after that, what I'm suggesting is that you need now 3 different other software to make the whole process even more, useful to you. Is the Genius Messenger CRM. So Messenger CRM, you know that basically you already have an account of it. So it helps to, like, you have messages in Messenger, right? And none of them are actually labeled with anything. So this me, how will you even remember that who am I, right? But if you actually make a label over here that this is my lead, or this is my customer, this is maybe my partner, or this is my some other list, right? As per your funnel. So you can set those things up with respect to, let me share my screen quickly. I can give you a quickly demo. So you see, I do have levels already over here. Let me go to actually bigger version way. So you can see these many communication I already have in my Messenger, right? Even more.
Oh, so they all have labels, I see. So you can track people. Yeah, I see. That's actually very good. It just, it takes time to set up.
Right.
Yeah.
And now I don't have to actually, worry about that. Okay, whom I was talking to, who are sort of like which sort of partner they are right now.
You don't need to track it on Facebook. Like you can just have it in Messenger.
Exactly. And basically from here, you can even search with the filters, the labels that you have created. You can add them with a tag if you want. Like that, you can do a lot of stuff with the GM CRM.
Yeah.